Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ayan, this is for Libra. Pakicheck na lang ang iyong natal chart kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng personal reading pa. Pero kung magkakaroon ako, i-announce ko yan sa aking TikTok. Paki-follow na lang din ako doon. Anyway, sana mag-comment kayo. Any comments will do, basta positive. Or kahit emoticon, sobrang matutuwa ako at ipinagpapasalamat ko yan. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Ayan, nakikita ko kasi sa akin, nagsusubscribe at nagpo-follow. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso, guys. For Libra, let's start. Masyadong marami, hindi ko ito kukunin. For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, please. Okay. King of Swords is here. This is you. Yeah, that's you, Libra. Very professional. Pero yung iba sa inyo, with the High Priestess, meron ka ring itinatagong misteryosong side mo. Yeah, you know? Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, yeah, you act professional. People see you as a very professional person. Maybe you work in a government. Or kung hindi man, talagang mataas ang tingin ng mga tao sa'yo. Pero with the High Priestess, pwedeng, meron ka ring, katulad nito, nanonood ka ng mga tarot readings. Maybe some of you hindi alam ng mga ibang tao yon, yung kahiligan mo sa mga misteryosong bagay. You have here the Seven of Swords and the Six of Cups. Okay, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas mo sa past. Paglayo mo sa past na ito. You're focusing on work. No? Maybe regarding a new offer. There's a new offer for you. No? Maybe regarding money. Kasi pagdating sa love or what, or regarding sa past mo, ayaw mo na yun. Lalayuan mo, iniiwasan mo na to. Pwedeng kina-cut off mo na, etc. So, sino ba to person na kakonect ni? Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Person na kakonect mo. Wait lang. For the sign of Libra, please. For the sign of Libra. You do have here the sun, the star. Puro major arcana, ha? Ayan, o. Papakita sa'yo. The Wheel of Fortune. Major arcana ulit. Some of you, you're dealing with a friend. Want to know more about this person? Kukuha pa ako isang card. The Tower is here. Knight of Swords and Five of Cups. Ten of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Page of Wands. I feel like some of you, something is ending dito sa side ng person mo. May nag-i-end. I can see possible na magdulot ito ng matinding kalungkutan sa kanya. And maaaring may mga aalisan siya or what. With the sun, I don't know, it looks like Yung iba, this is a new person. Or this person is about to shine sa buhay mo. Parang, sa ngayon pwedeng hindi mo siya napapansin or pinapansin or what. But with the sun and the star, magbibigay siya ng malaking marka. Or I feel like there's expression na gagawin itong person na ito sa'yo. And, pwedeng makapagpasaya yun sa'yo ng puso mo, etc. There's a big change mula dito sa taong to. No? Pwedeng sa mga actions niya in the near future para sa'yo. Pero sa ngayon kasi may mga ending siya pinagdadaanan. Hindi to okay Itong ending na to. Nagdadala ito ng sobrang kalungkutan sa kanya. This person wants to get out of something. Or regarding dito sa ending na ito, pwedeng gusto niya mag-travel or lumayo muna saglit sa kung saan man nangyari yung ending na yon or nangyayari yung ending na yon. Hindi siya okay. Sabihin na lang natin ganun. And I feel like itong person na ito is about to reveal to you. Malapit nang i-reveal ng person na ito yung maybe kung ano yung gusto niyang ilabas, i-express. And maybe isa ikaw sa nakikita niyang person na pwedeng paglabasan ng sama ng loob or whatever. Anyway, anong emotion mo para sa person na ito? Nine of Swords, Three of Wands, and Page of Cups. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo parang stress ka pa pagdating sa usapin sa person na ito. Maybe naalala mo pa siya pero ayaw mo alalahanin. You're trying to focus on maybe child or children, or maybe nagfo-focus ka na lang sa mga mas batang energy. So, you might be talking to a friend who is younger than you or empleyado, etc. So, ayun. Kasi, pwedeng nasasaktan ka pa rin dito sa person na ito sa kung anong kinalabasan ng connection ninyo sa nangyari sa inyo, etc. Part of you, namimiss mo yung person na ito, pero, hindi na kasi mahalaga sa ngayon yung, para sa'yo, hindi na muna mahalaga ngayon kung ano yung nararamdaman mo para sa person na ito. Emotion niya para sa'yo, for Libra, please. Clarify the King of Wands. Five of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Clarify the Emperor. Page of Swords. Okay. I'm seeing two kind of people here. So, kung alin man dito yung kakonect mo. Okay? If you're dealing with the King of Wands, si King of Wands could be someone na parang bossy. Could be someone na may communication or connection sa inyo. Pwedeng may family na involved. Parang masaya siya pag nasasaktan ka. And with the Five of Wands, feeling niya lagi ka pa rin nandyan para sa kanya. Medyo ayoko lang ang energy ng person na to kasi parang ang baba ng tingin niya sa'yo or feeling niya kailangan mo pa rin siya, ganun. And if you're dealing with the Emperor, ito yung tipo ng taong feeling mo walang pakialam. With the Page of Swords and the Four of Pentacles, pwedeng may pagkakalayo sa inyo ng person na ito. Nagfo-focus siya sa pag-iipon ng pera. Okay? And pag sinabi natin distance, pwedeng bansa. So, pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng bansa or what. Or yung iba naman, pwedeng same country, pero kailangan pa rin mag-ride ng matagal or malayo. Like, pwede gagamitin ng eroplano, parang ganyan. So, pwede may pagkakalayo sa inyo. So, akala mo lang wala pakiramdam or wala pakialam itong person na ito for you. Pero with the Queen of Cups, nakikita natin yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. This person loves you. Ayan. And what will happen in the future for you, Libra? In the near future para sa mga Libra. You do over the Seven of Cups, the Lovers, and the Two of Cups. The Hermit and the Ten of Wands. Clarify the Ten of Wands, please. Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, okay. The Empress and the Strength card. May matibay tayong connection na nakikita dito. There's a possibility na magkaroon ng relationship or magandang relasyon para sa'yo in the near future. No? Lalo na with the Lovers and the Two of Cups, magandang relasyon to, magandang connection, magandang partnership. My best friend energy with the Strength card. Okay, there's this new person. Ito new person could be the Empress and could be the Emperor na tinutukoy ko kanina. And nakita tayo dito ng magandang simula para sa inyo. There's this reconciliation, reunion, friendship sa inyong dalawa or maybe celebration sa inyong dalawa. Etong celebration na ito, this could lead into a new, deeper level commitment para sa inyo. Okay? The Hermit is here, so yeah, this could be a Virgo. That's a Virgo energy with the Hermit. And I feel like willing siyang akuin yung mga obligasyon. Kung may obligasyon ka, okay lang sa kanya. Okay? And this is a very nice partnership. Could lead into marriage with the Justice card. If you are already married or in a relationship, nakikita natin na maaaring makamove on ka sa bagay na yan. If you're married in the past or if you're, in a relationship with someone very toxic or hindi nag-work out yung connection yung relationship, ito yung new relationship para sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.